Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common challenge that iOS users are facing after updating the iOS version: keyboard problems. If your keyboard starts acting up, stay tuned as we explore some straightforward solutions to get things back on track. Let's get started. A quick and effective troubleshooting method is to restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button until the Slide to Power Off slider appears. Swipe to turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again until you see the Apple logo. Let your iPhone restart and check if the keyboard issue persists. If the problem lingers, our next step is to reset keyboard settings. Keep in mind that this action will reset all keyboard settings on your iPhone, including Keyboard Dictionary. Go to Settings, then General, and scroll down and find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and now tap on Reset Keyboard Dictionary and confirm. Your iPhone will restart, and after powering back on, go and test your keyboard. This step is a bit more drastic, but can resolve persistent keyboard issues. So there you have it, some simple solutions to troubleshoot and fix keyboard issues on your iPhone after installing the new iOS version. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have questions or if these solutions worked for you, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.